I cannot be serious today, guys. Like, I don't know what's going on. You wanna go in with a cap? Ooh. Broken, damaged hair. Exactly. Hey guys, welcome to Sugar No Bold. If you're new, welcome as well. Today I'll be doing my hair, giving credit to this baby here. It's the Safeway straightener, and it is so beautiful, guys. I love this straightener, and this was actually my second time using it, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little review on it. I love this straightener because of its looks and also the fact that it's got platinum plates. And when you open inside, of course, you get the straightener itself, and you get the pamphlet that has instructions on it. Not that I read, but I think I needed them. I won't lie to you guys, I always don't read instructions, and I think I'm too intelligent and sometimes it doesn't end well, so it's always good to do that. But anyways, it's a simple thing. It's just a straightener. It comes with a mirror. It's like what is it called, screen on it that will show you the different heating levels that it has. So it is in black with a touch of gold. I love rose gold, guys, and it's got a lot of buttons where you have to open, so it locks and unlock for you. And these are the titanium plates that are there that are looking like that, guys. I don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, this straightener can go straight up to 230, and it will blink until it's heated up, and that is that, guys. So this is what we're gonna be using today. Honestly, you guys, I really love this straightener. I love it so much. I would always recommend it. So anyways, if I look similar to another video, that is because I'm filming back to back today. So anyways, today we are doing an exciting video, and it is the hair. Today we're doing hair, guys, and I have my wig right here, and this wig, y'all, it has been through it all. It's been through the most. So here's how the closure is looking. Can you guys see that? And this is after I've washed, so I feel so embarrassed. So anyways, this hair is about, I don't remember the inches, if it was 20 or 18 or 22. I think 22 inches when I bought it. I think it was 4 to 3 years ago. And so what I did to the closure, y'all, let me show you from inside. So what happened to the closure is it's gone. Can you guys see? This closure is washed like this, I swear, you guys. So this is the hair that I normally wear. I'll just put the picture right here so that you guys can see, and you will not even realize that this is the same hair that I wear. That is because I do a lot of things to it to make it alive. And of course, I used stockings inside to sew in the wig. I do my own wigs, guys. So if you also want to see a video on how I do my wigs, also just put a comment down below so that I can do that video one day. I will dedicate my time to that. And so for this video, we're not gonna glue the hair. Let me just wear this hair, guys. Like, it's, I think I have been wearing this hair for the longest, and the stockings is also tired. Can you see, guys? Like, this is probably my mom's stockings, because I remember I was home when I was doing this and I didn't have a wig cap, and I went to her room, confession, and took her stockings and cut one leg. This is actually one. This is the top part. I think I took one leg and then sew it into a cap and made a wig. So usually you want to go in with a cap. Ooh. Anyways, you want to go in with a cap first that usually matches your I cannot be serious today, guys. Like, I don't know what's going on. So you want to go in with a cap that matches your scalp. Usually I go in with the medium beige. Is it beige or something like that, from a cap like that? Or you can just go to Pep and buy stockings and cut one leg and create your own scalp. I think I should just show you guys what I mean. I think I'll just on my other video I'll show you what I'm talking about, if you have no idea. But anyways, now I'm just looking a little bit crazy. Let me just pose for my thumbnail. I I swear this would have been a very great advert for that company that was trending lately. I don't understand why they didn't just come to me and ask for broken, damaged hair. Exactly. This is what they needed to make that post successful. But anyways, I think this can be a little like a rustic, careless sort of vibe going on, like for a photo shoot in a way, like, I don't know, vintage-ish. I don't know. Yeah, no. Okay, anyways. You see how silky my hair is looking like. When I say I'm done straightening, guys, I don't mean this part. This part I left it for you because I couldn't get it on cam, so I haven't done anything to the bangs except for combing them. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to actually start sectioning. So this is how the closure is looking. It's a 3-part closure, and this is where you're supposed to glue when you're going out because you're gonna cry. So I'm just gonna start right here, and I'm just gonna comb it and then go on with my straight. Oh my god, I'm gonna burn myself. What I'm doing is I'm just creating a sort of a curve on my bang. This thing is on 230. It's gonna be painful. Just like that. As you can see, guys, my closure goes all the way up to here. There's actually like a closure up to here, which is great for bangs. I wish I took a video of cutting this. I think the time I cut my bangs, I was not on YouTube or something like that. I don't know. So now I have the 80s bangs that they don't look flattering. They don't look nice at all. So what I'm going to do is to comb. I'm gonna comb them. Yo, you remember this style? Like, this used to be a style where you have like the thickest bangs ever. So what I'm going to do is to take my shavers, guys. I'm not gonna be looking at all, so I'm just gonna shave. So I want to take sections and start tweezing the hair. Like, I'm not fully cutting, I'm just like going down like that. You know, I'm trying to reduce the density of the bangs because I feel like this is a lot of hair. So I'm just gonna like go down like that. on and changed my lipstick because I was hating that one. But anyways, this is how the bangs are looking right now. So this is how they are looking. You can choose how to rock them. You can decide to stretch them or just pull the wig a little bit front if you want them to be a little longer, just like that, if you want to like have like them coming to your eyes. But anyways, you guys, my video stopped recording. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.